All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have just finished up recording my data, and so now I'm going to show you what you do with it. So the first thing that we've got to do before we play with this data at all is take a look at, our box itself. So we need to take a look at the inner dimensions of the box, and I went ahead and measured them, and I got 14.2 centimeters by 14.2 centimeters by 17 centimeters. And I'm going to convert those into meters. So that's 0.142 meters and 0.142 meters and 0.17 meters. And then I'm going to multiply those to get the volume. So the volume is the length times the width times the height. And that is 0.142 times 0.142 times 0.17, which gives me 0.003427 88 meters cubed. What is the material? I'm doing paper plates. And you can just go ahead and copy this down for your packet and do your own separately. All right. At the bottom of the page here, it asks me what my heat source bulb is. So for the paper plates, and actually for all of these, it's going to be the same 25 watts for all of them. Now the next one, what is the initial temperature? It says inside top acrylic panel, inside top surface. So inside is going to be the one that kind of jumps up real high and then comes back down. So that's this one here. So it's in blue. And so at the very start of time 0, my blue was at 30.1 degrees Celsius. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and write down. Flip the page. And it says, what is my inside top max temperature? And I'm going to go back to my data, and my max temperature should be somewhere in here. So if I highlighted it, I can come over here and look at those highlights. And 80.7 looks like my maximum. So that's what I'm going to write in here, 80.7 degrees Celsius. And the final temperature on the inside at the very end is this last one, 44.6. So again, we'll write that 44.6 degrees Celsius. And this is for the paper plates. All right, next thing is the top panel initial surface temperature. So that one will be the other color, which is red. And initially, that temperature I had 25.3. Actually, let's be cool with this. Is 25.3. So I match my colors. The maximum surface temperature for that one, it's kind of hard to tell. Let me scroll through 25.3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 26.7 is the max. And 26.7 is actually the final as well. So I'm going to go ahead and write the 26.7s. Heating time, I did 15 minutes. So that's 900 seconds. And the cooling was also for 900 seconds. Next thing we've got to do is some calculations on the mass of the air. And we all know that mass is equal to the density times the volume, right? And right up here, they gave me the density of air. So I know the density of air is 1.20 kilograms per meter cubed. And on the last page, I found the volume, 0.003427, 88 meters cubed. So the mass will be equal to the multiplication of those, 1.2 times 0.00342788, which gives me an air mass of